there! Welcome to today's lesson. Today we will learn about pictogram. And at the end of this lesson, you should be able to read and represent information in pictograms using vertical and horizontal arrangements. Identify the mode in a pictogram. Mention the usefulness of a pictogram. And mention the usefulness of a mode in a pictogram. Children, are you ready? Great! Now let's get started. A pictogram is defined as a chart or graph used to represent and organize data in a picture form. The chart on the screen shows the number of apples Mr. Michael has sold from January to December. This represents 10 apples. In January, Mr. Michael sold 40 apples and sold 100 apples in May. A pictogram is used to make the data and information easy to read and understand. Yes, you can present the data horizontally like this, or vertically like this. This chart shows the attendance of primary 3 pupils in a particular week. This pictogram shows the number of each animal in Mr. Ali's livestock farm. Pretty cool, right? Now, a pictogram helps us identify the most common information in a collection, which is known as a mode. What is a mode? A mode is the number of objects that appears the most in a collection. For example, the mode of the numbers 4, 8, 4, 6, 4, 2, 9, 3, 4 is 4, as it appears the most. Knowing the mode in the collection of numbers could help us understand an item that a group of people like the most. Now kids, let's try another example. If we collect the data of everyone's favorite fruit in a class of 20, the chart shows 8 people like apples, 5 people like bananas, 4 people like oranges, and 3 people like watermelons. Therefore, apple is the mode, as most people say it's their favorite fruit. Knowing that the mode in this group is apple, any teacher getting fruits for the class will buy more apples. Sounds yummy, right? Let's have a little practice. The chart on your screen shows the different colors of cars at the park. Let's find out how many of each color is there and the mode. I'm sure you had a great time learning, but you've come to the end of today's lesson. Today, we have learned how to read and represent information in pictograms using vertical and horizontal arrangements. Also, identify the mode in a pictogram. We also learned how to mention the usefulness of a pictogram and mention the usefulness of the mode in a pictogram.